Hi everyone, it's Rainy here, and welcome back to Risk of Rain. I want to unlock the last relic. I noticed that I'm calling them relics, but they're actually artifacts. It's the same thing, really. Last time we almost unlocked that, so I'll try it again with the engineer. If we fail at the last boss, I might change characters. I'm not sure though. Engineer really makes it easy. Okay, let's put infinite mines here and summon him. Get one shot at Providence. Oh man, that was great. Oh shit, I almost didn't see it, man. That was scary. Okay, eat those. No, the worms. That's not what I wanted, but okay. Oh no, not now. Okay. This shadow clone makes everything harder. They just keep teleporting. And I hit the shadow clone by accident. Oh, I killed the shadow clone. Okay. One last shield. Then we're done. Okay, I beat him. I won. I really won. Origin unlocked. I unlocked the last relic? Yeah. Don't play any other characters if you're going to unlock the origin. Engineer is the best choice. Leave this planet. I'm never coming back to this planet. And so he left, more steel and circuit than man. Thanks for watching, everyone, and maybe this helped you unlocking the last artifact, or maybe it didn't. However, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.